Hello my Kandor crafters, and happy Mother's Day. This video is very much long overdue. I'm so sorry. I had some technical difficulties with the vinyl that I originally used. FYI, Cricut brand sucks, especially for glitter vinyl. But as promised, here's the process and the finished product of putting vinyl on vinyl. I will link everything that I used in the description below. I put a piece of tape in the middle of the record because I needed a place for the center of my Spiral Betty to go to lay on, so that's why I did that. After the weeding is all done, it's time to transfer it. So I did have Cricut transfer tape. It worked perfectly with this. I do suggest getting a brayer. You don't have to get the Cricut brand. You can definitely go on Amazon and get like a little cheaper brayer. But I feel like the brayer really helps like get into the crevices with this project. And do you see how flawlessly this just came out? Like, oh my goodness. It literally took probably about like 2 to 3 minutes to apply this on. And here's the final product. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't watched the first part of this video, I will go ahead and link that so you guys can watch that as well. Again, sorry for the wait, but I hope it met you guys' expectations. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Until next time, my Kandor crafters.